Alrighty, thank you for clicking the link. I'm going to show you our 2018 Keystone Voltage 3970. Go ahead and follow me. We'll take a look inside. This is your living and entertainment area. As you can see, this floor plan is very unique and very cool. You have the L-shaped couch here, entertainment system here, large television and a fireplace, with two couches over here also. And over here you have a very nice convection microwave, 3-burner stovetop, and a stove. And then on this side, large sink basin here, tons and tons of storage all the way around. And then on this side, you have a very big fridge, dual door, and same with the huge freezer. And then as you step back into here, to your toy hauler area, you have two couches that come down and fold up against the wall, and then an upper bunk. And then the nice thing about this is a back patio and the entrance ramp. So when you put this patio back, you can use these handrails to make yourself a nice back deck. And then as you can see here, entertainment's definitely the focus, a large television, all of your audio controls. And then we'll take a look at the bedroom and bathroom. This unit, as you can see, has a huge restroom, nice large sink, and the bath and shower portion is enormous. And then again, no lack of storage here. Storage and drawers all the way around. And then as we step into the bedroom, huge king size bed, a very large corner closet, as you can see here, and then another set of closet back here with storage in the back and tons of coat hooks. And then also a television up here with more storage here in the drawers. And then on the exterior here, as you can see here, you have audio controls, so you can control the station and the volume of the exterior speakers. Exterior entertainment system with television and speakers. And as you come around the back here, rear access into your garage and ventilation system. And this one has a nice big ladder for roof access. And your fuel station, so you can carry all your fuel and put gas in all your toys. Thank you again for clicking the link. Again, this is the Keystone Voltage 3970. It's a 2018. If you have any questions or want to take a look at it, please give me a call or shoot me a text, 541-731-8583. Thanks again.